Hello everyone. Welcome to Study Vibes Education. Daily important vocabulary words. Saturday, 10th July 2021. Kindle, verb, light. Synonyms: ignite, set fire to. Antonyms: douse. Example sentence: they kindle lights, he says, assuming one is in darkness. Hospitality, noun, friendliness. Synonyms: welcome, helpfulness. Antonyms: unfriendliness. Example sentence: Scotland is a country which is renowned for its hospitality. Partly, adverb, in part. Synonyms: partially, somewhat. Antonyms: completely. Example sentence: the result is partly a matter of skill and partly of chance. Coherence, noun, consistency. Synonyms: soundness, organization. Antonyms: incoherence. Example sentence: many questions weren't further raised on the coherence of state policy. Toxic, adjective, unpleasant. Synonyms: very bad, harmful. Antonyms: pleasant. Example sentence: she had been in a toxic relationship. Revoke, verb, cancel. Synonyms: repeal, rescind. Antonyms: introduce. Example sentence: the men appealed and the sentence was revoked. Specific, adjective, exact. Synonyms: accurate, precise. Antonyms: vague. Example sentence: when ordering goods, be specific. Agitation, noun, anxiety. Synonyms: perturbation, disquiet. Antonyms: calmness. Example sentence: she was wringing her hands in agitation. Bygone, adjective, ancient. Synonyms: past, former. Antonyms: contemporary. Example sentence: that is contrary to the observation of philosophers of bygone days. Stimulate, verb, encourage. Synonyms: prompt, prod. Antonyms: discourage. Example sentence: the reader could not fail to be stimulated by the ideas presented. Thank you so much for watching.